Well, hello there and welcome back to the Vineyard Farmhouse. All the snow from the last video is gone and already been replaced with a fresh layer. But that's okay. Today we're going to be fine-tuning and leveling the platform for the clawfoot tub. Centering the vanity on the sink wall so we can figure out where the puck lights go in the soffit. Not to mention a bunch of drywall. So let's get going on that. Almost finished with the subfloor. Just have these two more pieces to do. But the threshold is a little uneven and I'm going to throw some floor leveling compound on there and we should be ready to go with the next step. They're going to just let it go in there. Okay. Let it go in there. Okay. Go this way. Don't stand under it. Arms down. Some of you have already seen me build the platform to this clawfoot tub. Now it's time to square it up and start leveling it. It'll probably be another 2 inches higher than this. And now that's pretty solid. Got this piece up. Forgot to film it. But I'm sure you won't cry. Looks like I could go to 26 3/4 on that. By 76.5. Concludes our full sheets of drywall, Dan. Quarter. Four and an eighth. But in the bigger part, yes. I'm just holding it in place. Here. Grab the bottom of it. Here, hold this for a second. You're free. Watch. All the way over. All the way over toward me.
It's hitting the bottom.
This is all going to have to come back apart again. But I'm trying to find out where the center of that cabinet's going to be so I can start installing the pot lights in the soffit. And the outlets on either side of the vanity. Okay, I think I want about 2 2x4s between the platform and the vanity. I think that's going to be a good spacing. 47 and a half. Half of 47 and a half is 3 3/4. 23 3/4. Measure that from both sides, make sure it's accurate. And there's the center of my wall. Everything can go right off that center point.
Did you mark it on the cabinet?
For the last couple of years, Papa has been developing an issue with his back and is scheduled for surgery. Please keep him in your thoughts on Tuesday, the morning of March 1st, and pray for a speedy recovery. As long as I'm drilling holes for these pot lights, I might as well get the last one done. If you've been enjoying the renovation of this farmhouse bathroom, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash the little bell button so you can be notified of future videos. Well, hello there. Okay, I can't do that.
Oh yeah? You're looking at me? What?